Hey guys, today we're going to react to Filipinos funny and scary videos, and let's go now.
Hirap din kasi ng exam ni Ma'am Lilia kanina. Kaya nga. Pero narinig mo na ba yung chismis na inafondo mo si Ma'am Lilia? Uy, grabe mo yung chismis na yan. Naalala mo dati, nangangamoy bulok yung classroom natin, di ba? Yung pala, ilaw na puso ng bago yung ulam ni Ma'am Lilia. Seryoso, paano mo nalaman? Siyempre, nakitain ako. Di joke, nakita ko sa table ni Ma. Tapos kilala mo sa Angel, di ba? Ay, nawawala. Sabi nila, si Ma'am Lilia daw ang muling kasama ni Angel bago siya nawala. Oh my God, totoo ba? Oo, te. O siya, nandito na pala ako. Ito pa, baka magkita kayo ni Ma'am Lilia. Kala mo natatakot ako?
Okay guys, we just left it here, and bro looks like Michael Jackson. I'm not gonna lie, bro looks like Michael Jackson with a lot of makeup or surgery.
I'm not gonna go
So
there.
let's
I'm not
just
gonna go
continue.
there.
Okay guys, no.
Nagawa mo dito. Bilat. Ay, Ma'am Lilia, ikaw pala yan. Anong bilat? Ay, balat. Balat po, Ma. Ayan, nangangati yung balat ko sa paa. Alipunga mo kasi ako eh. Ganun ka. Uwi ka na. Bilog pa naman ang buwan ngayon. O gantong oras nagsisilabasan ng mga aswang. Ha? Ay, sige po, Ma'am. Bigo tomorrow po. Ma'am Lilia? Tulong mga kapitbahay! Nay! Open the door! Sino ba yung nambubulabog dyan? Uy, Ma'am Lilia, ikaw ba yan? Bakit di pa nauwi anak ko? Sir, tulungan niyo kami. Aswang dito sa amin. Address po? Anong mga address dito? Batong Bakal Street. Ay, oo nga pala. Thank you, ha. Maawag po. Bobo ko kung estudyante pero mabuti mo kung tao. Di ba binigyan kita ng chocolate noong Teacher's Day? Leave me alone.
And guys, that's for all that video, and let's go next video. Okay, let's go. Why is it not cutting? Okay, now we're here at the short of the scary white lady, and let's go.
The White Lady is a well-known figure in Filipino folklore, often depicted as a ghostly woman dressed in white, wandering desolate roads or abandoned areas. She is believed to be the spirit of a woman
It looks like you. Okay,
who suffered a tragic or violent death, typically due to betrayal, murder, or an accident. Her most famous haunt is Balik Drive in Quezon City, where she is said to appear to motorists, sometimes causing accidents. The White Lady's story symbolizes unresolved trauma, vengeance, or sorrow, and she represents one of many supernatural entities in the Philippines associated with death and the afterlife.
Okay, let's go to the next.
The White
No, no, no. Nah, bro, I'm just going to get another video. No.
Hello?
Let's.
Hey guys, panoorin niyo ako ang wakyan. Okay.
Bakit nga ba mahalaga ang asignaturang Pilipino sa amin?
Behind me.
Ang wika.
I actually have that toy then, and it broke because it's old now. Okay, let's go.
Ang iyong buhok ay puputi na rin. Isa'y tayo nangangarap.
Ipagkay ka nga kay Kirby. Ay.
Hey guys, panoorin niyo ako ang wakyat.
Okay, that's for all, guys. I know it's short, and that's for all the video. And see you guys